How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to do something really nice and clean. So I'm building an entirely new workspace for my users to use. And usually in my testing, I use like very simplistic, top view and events, but that's not enough. That's far from being enough. And what I want to do, I want to create a workspace workspace page that's functional for NOC users, for example, during investigations. So I'll do just that, create a new page by clicking here. I'll split it into two sections, and also I'll split this one into health. Then I will move it a little bit just to change the shapes and size. And now we're going to do something really cool, really cool. So the idea is that I want to have here several aspects, several components, right? And if I bring a single component, for example, CI Explorer or whatever, it just occupies the whole space, and then I cannot do anything, right? It's not really helpful to me. So there's this option, switch to tabs. And now I can have multiple tabs, and I just add components as I please. So I'll do event browser. Then I'll use HTML5. And I'm going to actually click on it, and in preferences, I'm going to say event browser linked. You'll see why in a second. Now, then I'll go and add another tab just shortly. Just give me a sec. But in the meanwhile, here I'll have another tab. Switch to tabs, and I'll bring the top view. So let's see, here's our top view, which is nice. And here I'm going to put a monitoring dashboard. So let's have it look. And we'll do monitoring dashboard. Now I don't have any monitoring dashboards at the moment. So this one will remain static as it is. And now we'll do some magic. So we'll go to component gallery. And now I can drag and drop whatever I want. I'll go to HTML5, and I'll just, oh, come on. I'll just do this, drag and drop. And now I have another HTML5 over here, which is really cool. Then I'll go and oh, I cannot move it. So I'll do the event details tab over here, just in case. And I'll do also performance dashboard. And performance dashboard, so I'll drop it here. And final thing is going to be watch list, I think. Let's see. Watch list by view. I'm going to drop it here. Okay, let's close and see what we got. So now I have performance dashboards. I have the event details. I have the top view. And here, oh, instead of having tabs, I just, yeah, that wouldn't work. So we will remove the monitoring dashboards. We'll create a tabbed view. And now when I edit, it will look much better. So monitoring dashboards. So when I investigate issues, IT-related issues, I don't like clicking away on anything. I really like to have everything in the same spot, and it's clicking away just wastes time when you need it, right? So, so I'm basically putting everything that I would need if I would be investigating what's going on with my infrastructure. Okay, so now we have the watch list by view, monitoring dashboard here in the tab. We have the top view that we need to select eventually, event details and performance dashboards. And what did I miss over here? No, I probably didn't miss anything. So what's with this one? Why do we say that it's linked? We'll go to its preferences and we'll say, you know what, we'll say it unlinked. Right. Well, no. Let's give it another name, something more descriptive. Uh, Unlinked. Let's say unlinked. And this one will change its name to just. You know what? I think they don't. That's okay. Linked and unlinked do enough justice for this thing. So I'm going to select the unlinked one, and I'm going to say wiring. Select the wiring here. And wiring says basically, if I click on something, should I change the context? And I say no, nothing here is going to be linked. So I'm just unchecking event change, event details, event property change. That's about it. So I'm clicking OK. And what's going on now? Basically, if I'll go to top view over here and I'll select any view, for example, this one, right? And it would just show that everything is fine. The linked one would show 0, nothing. Nothing is going on, no events, no nothing. But the unlinked one allows me to browse through views and just not have any effect from them. And right now it did propagate. So I'll select another view. Let's see if I did it right. Maybe I'll have to change it. Yeah, I need to change that one. So let's go to wiring, to the unlinked. And let's see which one did I forget. View change. Yes, one of those changed. Yeah, okay. Let's see if now the context would change when I select something. And it still does. It still does. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go to the top view over here and we'll check its wiring. And we see that it is still propagating to the unlinked one. So we need to do the same over here. And now when we change our view to something else, this one shouldn't change. Yep, did it. I thought I selected number 15. And yeah, it still propagates for some reason. So maybe we should save the dashboard. Oh no, that's not the right button. 1 second, let's save it. We'll put it in all categories. We'll put it into AOS scheduled, in OS shop demo. Okay, we'll just save it. And now we need to figure out what's going on with the wiring over here in general page wiring. So let's see how it looks like in the general thing. So view change, target component. So source. When the source component changes anything, it wouldn't affect any view, any drill down on the corresponding events. We took care of that. Now the linked one, the CI changed, should not affect it. View change should not affect it. Event change, and then the event browser unlinked should not affect it as well. Next is going to be the top view. I think I already unchecked those two. Fantastic. Now we'll go to the monitoring dashboard, and the monitoring dashboard wouldn't change a thing for the unlinked. Okay, and watch list will also would not affect the linked one. Okay, so now we removed all of our wiring. Okay, time to test it. 45. There we have it, no effect. So we needed to change the wiring of all the components. It was much easier when I was building dashboard with extra components. Okay, so by the event browser, the linked one would actually match any selection that we have right here. All right, watch list by view, everything is fine and great over here. All right, fantastic. Let's save our work. And that's about it. This is how you build a really nice well, Workspace page that answers to all of your needs. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.